This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Subaru BRZ in Grand Theft Auto 5. While the exact model isn't officially available, there are excellent in-game alternatives that capture its spirit. We'll guide you through identifying the closest vehicle, show you where to find it, and discuss how to customize it to resemble the iconic sports car. For those on PC, we'll also touch upon how community-created modifications can bring the actual BRZ into your game world. The car in Subaru GTX is widely considered the closest in-game vehicle to the Subaru BRZ, offering a similar compact, rear-wheel drive sports car feel. To acquire it, simply open your in-game phone and navigate to the Southern San Andreas Super Autos website. You can purchase it there for $1,590,500. Occasionally, you might also spot it driving around the game world, allowing you to steal and store it in your garage. Once you have your car in Subaru GTX, head over to any Los Santos custom shop to begin its transformation. You can significantly enhance its performance with engine upgrades, transmission tuning, and brake improvements, making it feel even more like a nimble sports car. Cosmetically, explore various spoiler options, front and rear bumpers, and side skirts to give it a sleek, aggressive look. Don't forget to select a vibrant paint job and stylish wheels to truly capture the essence of a Subaru BRZ. For PC players seeking the authentic Subaru BRZ experience, community-created modifications are your best option. These mods allow you to directly import the actual BRZ model, complete with its unique design and performance characteristics, into your Grand Theft Auto 5 game. You'll need a reputable mod manager and should always follow the specific installation instructions provided by the mod creator. Remember to back up your game files before installing any modifications to ensure a smooth and safe experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.